Then I'll be like,
That's gonna happen.
hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're gonna teach you how to do the American Rumba first step, which is the box step. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
All right, leader's foot direction. So if my left foot first, I go forward. My right foot goes to the side, and I close left foot to right foot. Back on my right foot, side on my left foot, right foot closes to left foot. I'll do one from the side here so you can see again. I'm gonna go forward, and then side, together, back, side, together. I'm going ball flat throughout the entire thing. If I go with timing, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, followers foot directions. Starting backward on the right foot, going side on the left, closing our feet together, switching our weight. Then we go forward on the left, side on the right, closing our feet together and switching. Let's repeat that. We go back, side, together, forward, side, together. All right, let's go over the rhythm now. We're gonna go back slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now with the timing, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. From the other side, we'll go slow, quick, quick, slow. Maybe a little rotation, we'll go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So leading and following this pattern here, right? So we have separate rhythm dance position videos here, but it's a pretty generic dance position. It's relatively narrow, you know. In a more advanced way, she has her arm around the outside instead of on the front, which you could absolutely always default to anyway. We're a little bit offset here to the left, so we're on separate tracks, which you can see from this angle here, right? Again, we have other Ballroom Feed Pro videos and whatnot about leg action and foot position, all these different things in order to set yourself up better, different posture videos and whatnot. So here, I walk forward, she goes backwards at the same time. We both go to the side and close our feet together. We both walk again, side, close. Definite key points here, we're learning this for the first time, is my feet have to close all the way together on the side, all the way together. A lot of common mistakes happen. People don't close the feet all the way together and we get misaligned from each other, right? If we do timing together here, we're changing weight on the 1 and filling out the step on the 2, going 3, 4, and then typically in Rumba and a lot of the rhythm dances, we don't always count to 8, we just count to like 4, like in Cha-Cha and Rumba we do the same thing. We just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. We're not gonna get into detail about different hip action things here. We have more advanced technique videos and whatnot, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then adding a little bit of rotation to this box. I'm gonna start to turn my upper body early as I go through this, the opposite of what I do in smooth. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can now turn in the back half of this box as well and continue rotating it only to the left. I can only rotate this version of a box to the left each time, and now we can make these bit of circles here.
In terms of rotating for the follower, we just need to follow the amount of turn that the leader gives us. Should not be more than a quarter turn per step. However, we're gonna go with the flow and try not to force a rotation. So just concentrate on your foot direction. So even though we may be rotating, we're still gonna be going backward, not to the side. So sometimes that's a common problem that happens in the beginning, is we kind of lose our foot directions when they start rotating, and then we lose where we are or our own steps, right? So we're still gonna concentrate on going back, side, together, forward, side, together, however much they rotate, okay? In terms of the regular box step, same rules apply as the leader. We're trying to close our feet, making it clean, trying to not take too big of a steps, especially on the quick, because we have not enough time, and it's also better for the rhythm dances.
This is our Rumba basic, the very first thing you learn that we build off of with unlimited numbers of patterns at this point in time. If you learned anything from this video and want to see more, please like the video, comment any questions you have down below, and check out our website, ballroomfeed.com, to see hundreds of the videos we have on this dance and more.
Bye.